Excel errors are most common things which we face on regular basis. Whether you are a beginner or a master, you must be aware of these errors. In today's video, we will see what are the most common Excel errors and how to overcome them. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeMonk. Let's start the video without any delays. The first error is hash error. This is the most common error which we face on regular basis. When we see the sales figure, we see hash over here in multiple cells. We get this error because our cell size is smaller than the data what is in the cells. To remove this error, we will have to increase the size of the cells. I'll just double click on the top and the error got removed. Our second error is hash value. In sales figure or sales amount, we can see value over here and in few places we can see 0. So what's the basic reason behind this error? It may be possible we have inserted some text instead of figures or numbers. These two cells are blank, but it seems we have inserted some special figure over here. I'll just select this and will press delete. And we can see 0. Over here it looks like 0, but this is O. I'll just delete this and will put 0. So the error got removed and we are able to see 0 over here. So whenever you see hash value error, just remove the text and the error will be removed. Third error is hash spill. We want list of items over here. So I'll use the function of unique plus or equal to unique bracket open. I'll select name of items. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So instead of getting unique list, I got the error as spill error. The basic reason behind this error, the formula is trying to spill the value, but the text over here is blocking the path. I'll just delete this text and we got our unique list. The next error is hash name. This happens when we misspell the function name. I have inserted VLOOKUP over here, but by mistake I have inserted the wrong name of VLOOKUP. I'll just change the spelling and we'll hit enter. And we got our proper value. I'll drag this down and the error got removed. In total of sales also we can see the error. We will go to the formula bar and our function over here is add. So there's no function by the name of add, it's sum. And we will hit enter and the error got removed. Next one is hash reference. This error stands for reference error. This happens when we accidentally delete the cell or cells which we referred or used in the formula. Over here I have inserted the formula quantity into rate. If by mistake either quantity or rate will be deleted, we will get the error. I'll delete this and we can see the error. So whenever you find this error, please cross check what you have deleted and reinsert it once again. I'll undo this and the error got removed. Our next error is div error or hash div error. This happens when we divide any number with 0 or blank cell. In quantity, here is 0 and here is blank cell. And we are getting div error. I'll insert some figure over here and the error got removed. I'll insert one more figure over here and all the errors got removed. I'll undo this. In case your cells are blank and you don't want to see the error, just use the criteria of if, or you can use if error over here. If bracket open quantity is equal to 0, comma, double inverted comma twice, comma, we will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down and the error got removed. We can also use if error. I'll go to the formula bar and I'll type if error, bracket open, I'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. I'll drag this down and the error got removed. Our next error is hash NA. We see this error mostly when we use VLOOKUP. If you are using VLOOKUP and the data from your lookup value is not present by any reason, you will get this error. We will click over here and we'll go to our table array. Over here two cells are blank and these are the lookup values. We will go to our data, we'll copy this, we'll go to table array and we'll paste it over here. So the missing value got filled, or the missing lookup value got filled. We will come to our formula sheet and the error got removed. Hash num. Over here we can see the num error. In case you are doing square root of numbers and your numbers are in negative value, we get this error. Our formula is over here. We are taking out square value of quantity and one number is in negative. So we got this error. Just remove the negative number, hit enter, and the error got removed. Now you know why you get these errors. So whenever you get these errors in future, it's easy for you to remove them. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.